You're going to take your bobbin with the H embedded on the bobbin facing upwards, and you're going to place it onto the bobbin winder and then click it into place. If you have done it correctly, your screen will tell you that your bobbin winding feature is on. You are then going to take your thread and loop it through the metal round plate and then up through the 2 metal teeth before wrapping the thread a few times securely around the bobbin. And then you're going to hit start. Once your bobbin is satisfactory, make sure you hit stop. Disengage the bobbin feature and remove your bobbin. Remove the bobbin and then cut with a conveniently placed thread cutter. Once your bobbin is wound, make sure when you're replacing it back into the machine, the H is facing upwards and your thread is counterclockwise off the bobbin. Push the bobbin back into place. Loop the thread through the protruding metal piece, pull upwards on the thread, and loop it around the protruding metal, and then follow the arrows that will lead you to a conveniently placed thread cutter. Snip the excess thread and slide the plastic piece back into place.